Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? If we haven't met, my name is Audrey with Social Media 4, that's the number 4beginners.com, where I am on a mission to teach the older generation how to use the different social media sites and all this new technology so that they can stay connected to their family and friends. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how you can update or upload, add a profile picture into Zoom. So that way, if you ever do decide to turn your camera off, there still will be a picture of you. Now, if this video helps you in any way, why not give it a thumbs up? Be sure to hit the subscribe button, the little bell button, so that you're notified every time I'm putting up one of these video tutorials. And hey, if you know somebody that can benefit from this video, why not share it? All right, without further ado, we are jumping right in, and let me show you how to get that profile picture added. The first thing that you want to do is log into your Zoom account by going to zoom.us or wherever you might be in the world. So I'm in the US and I'm going to hit enter. Now, if you are not logged in, you should see like a login button. Since I'm already logged into my account, it shows me my account right here. So I'm going to click on right up here to the top right. I'm going to click on my account. Now, over here to the left, you want to make sure that you are under your personal profile. And then where the image is, now I already have an image, so if you don't have an image, you still should have maybe an add button, or it might even say change, but we're gonna click on change, and let me bring that down just a little bit. So we want to upload a new photo, but I want you to keep in mind that it needs to be smaller than 2M, okay, megabytes. If you don't know what that means, don't even worry about it. Because if you go and you try to upload an image that is too big, Zoom will kick it back, okay? So I'm gonna click on upload and I'll show you what I mean. So I went to try to upload this picture of me and my grandsons, and it says open. You know, I click on open and it says file size cannot exceed 2 megabytes. So I automatically know that is too big of a file. So I'll click on upload and find the picture that is going to be able to fit in there, right? So we're going to click on this picture. I already know that this is less than 2 megabyte, and I'm going to click on open. Now, in order to get the full picture, because anything that's inside of here is going to be what is going to show as your profile picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click within here and hold down on my mouse button and then move that over to the left. And then I'm going to get this little arrow button and I'm going to click and drag that down. So now over here to the right, it's showing me this is what my profile picture is going to look like. So I'm going to hit save, and it has now saved my profile picture. And now anytime that I log into Zoom, let me log into a new meeting real quick. When I connect, there is my profile picture. Now that you have your profile photo all uploaded, now whenever you join a meeting, everybody is going to be able to see who is in that meeting. Now, if you want to learn even more about Zoom, be sure to check out our Zoom series where I walk you through a couple of other cool things that you can do on Zoom that will benefit you when connecting to your family and friends. And as always, if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And if you know of anyone that could benefit from this video, why not share the video with them? Until next video, y'all be blessed. Bye.